So, andito tayo sa Asteria or Asteria or call it what you like to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before our foreclosed reveal, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Second floor lang tayo. 56.5 square meters. 2 bedrooms po siya. So, kitchen niya, over and under cabinets. Then may exhaust. So, dito mo ilalagay yung cooktop mo. Then dito yung fridge. Then bathroom niya, very spacious. Then bedroom 1. May aircon provision tayo. So yan ang view niya. And then this is the bedroom 2 or primary bedroom. Aircon provision. May balcony siya. Yan ang view niya. Hindi maganda. Facing San Antonio or barangay area. But overall, the unit is actually in good condition. This is around 5.2 million for bidding. And it's for bidding. The unit comes with a parking space. So below market and zonal value na po yan. And then mode of payment is cash or at least 10% down payment. And then 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So overall, yung unit is in good condition. Livable naman po yung status niya. Wala akong nakikitang sira. But of course, since assessor is po tayo dito, pwede nyo siyang ipacheck sa architect or engineer nyo po. So again, if you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. Yung amenity area nila and clubhouse. Talagang maganda sa DMCI eh. Lots of open spaces, manicured gardens, landscape, parks and playgrounds, swimming pool. And so refreshing lang. Complete amenities. May basketball court pa dito. So sulit na rin. You get what you pay for pagdating sa condo dues na binabayaran mo. Itong clubhouse nila. Dito rin yung function area and yung gym.